All right, in today's video, I wanted to talk about deleting information in coreSTORE. So in every screen, when you're on the list screen, you can check a few items and you can actually delete that information. But coreSTORE doesn't actually delete this information. So a lot of times we receive a support request asking us, why can't I add this item? It's telling me that I'm trying to scan a UPC code, for example, and I hit save and it won't save the item, even though the item isn't listed. So inevitably, we always check for what we call the deleted items, because when you delete an item in coreSTORE, it doesn't completely delete that item, especially if there's historical information for that item. So when you hit delete, and what I'll do is, let me go ahead and select an item that actually I want to delete. So I have a test item here, and I'll just click delete. So once I delete this item, it will get removed from this list. However, I can go into the menu here and into manage deleted items, and you'll see that item is actually listed, and you'll see I have 26 different deleted items, and you'll see it shows me this is my deleted items. If I type in test, it will actually pull up my test item, which I just deleted, and I can select it. At this point, I can undelete it if I want to, and that would put it back into my list. Now, I can also clear all of my deleted items from the system. So there's a couple of things you can do here. One thing is I can go and edit this item if I wanted to, and I can remove the UPC, and I can actually remove the UPC from this item, and that way I can still use that UPC code again. And at the same time, I can keep the item in the deleted folder without fully deleting the item. So I can do that, but I can also go in here and hit done. And you'll see under the menu here, I have another option, which is called clean up old items. Now, you'll notice the warning that comes up. This will remove any item numbers that were deleted so they can be reused. So all I have to do is click OK. And at that point, all of my items have been successfully deleted, so I can actually reuse those items. So at this point in the item screen, if I go now to my deleted items, manage deleted items, you'll see I have 4 items, but what it does is it removed the UPC code so I can reuse those numbers, and it deleted, it actually mark those as fully deleted. So you'll notice again that the UPC is gone, and that way it cleans those up. Now again, we don't actually delete the items completely from the database, because that would be a bad thing, especially if there's some historical data. Okay, so this actually holds true for whether you're in the customer screen or the supplier screen. That's how you manage your deleted items. All right, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.